I grew up seeing carob drink served during warm evenings, especially in festive seasons. It tasted rich and comforting, yet lighter than sugary sodas. Years later, curiosity pushed me to look beyond tradition and explore what science actually says about carob and its real effects on the body. Scientific insight: carob is rich in polyphenols and fiber. Carob, derived from the pods of the Serotonia siliqua tree, contains natural antioxidants such as polyphenols. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry has examined its antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, a process linked to cellular aging and inflammation. This does not mean disease reversal. It means supportive balance at the cellular level. Carob is also naturally caffeine-free, unlike cocoa. For people sensitive to caffeine, this can mean better sleep and fewer heart palpitations. According to the National Institutes of Health, adequate sleep plays a critical role in immune regulation and metabolic health. Choosing caffeine-free beverages in the evening may support that rhythm. Scientific insight: soluble fiber supports gut health. Carob powder contains soluble fiber, the World Health Organization who highlights that dietary fiber supports digestive function and helps regulate blood sugar response. Soluble fiber slows carbohydrate absorption, which may reduce sudden glucose spikes after meals. This can be especially helpful for adults managing weight or metabolic health. One personal observation was improved digestion when drinking unsweetened carob in moderation. It felt soothing after heavy meals. Some small studies have explored carob fiber in supporting cholesterol management by binding bile acids in the gut. This mechanism may assist in improving lipid balance when combined with an overall healthy diet. Results vary depending on total intake and lifestyle. Results vary by person and health status. Carob drink is not suitable for unlimited consumption. Commercial versions may contain added sugar, which can counter potential benefits. Individuals with digestive sensitivity may experience bloating if fiber intake increases too quickly. Moderation is essential. Possible issues: excess sugar in sweetened versions. Consult your doctor before major diet changes. How to prepare it wisely: use natural carob powder without added sugar. Boil in water for several minutes, then allow it to steep. Avoid excessive sweeteners. Enjoy one small cup as part of a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. To track its impact, monitor digestion comfort, energy levels, and routine medical markers such as blood glucose and cholesterol during checkups. No single drink replaces comprehensive lifestyle habits. Hydration, movement, and balanced nutrition remain foundational. Claims that one drink benefits countless diseases are exaggerated. Carob offers antioxidants, fiber, and a caffeine-free alternative that may support digestive and metabolic health when used moderately. Its strength lies in consistency, not miracle promises. Like this video if it clarified the truth. Try it mindfully and observe the difference. Small daily choices build stronger health.